Sunday for anything else. But I got to know that this is something which our management also realized. This is something and other companies also, other corporates are recognizing that there is a duty for responsibility on everyone who is in the country and in the organization to give what they have learnt, to give what they have gained to those who are going to be their organization better than us. What we were yesterday, we are definitely better today. You understand? But what we were yesterday, we are 100 times better than today. When I joined as a Scale 1 officer in 2020 years, what I thought about company is much more than today. The preparation what I had done all through my career of 34 years probably were not sufficient. Probably it may be the reason because there was nobody who could guide us properly. Or probably we have not understood there is somebody who has got to know so much. I need to sit with him and talk to him. Yesterday, I think he was what he can walk with that. What did he say? Walk with her, you said something. This is what today. So we are supposed to keep our 6 hours intact. Because you are coming to office 6 hours. Are you coming to office for 6 hours or anyone can answer? Are you coming to office for 6 hours or for what? You are coming to office for 6 hours. For what? For what? Doing work. See, this is the thinking that we have. No, I am coming to office by 10 o'clock, do the work because I will get my salary on the last day. But you are not coming to office to do the work. You are coming to office to make yourself available for an organization who was recognized. You are coming to office to make your colleagues to know. You have to come to be with them and make them happy. You are not coming to office to do job what is given to you. That's what I said. You are not coming to do your job. You are coming to create the future for this organization. Understand? For that, what you need to do is you should develop an attitude of developing politeness. The politeness is sweetness. You understand? When you talk, people should be interested in being associating with you. Because what happens, we think that fellow is useless. But from him also you can learn something. Now one can be useless. Unless you put it this way, why everybody is saying that man is not fit to be given any post? Then let me talk to him. Probably your talking will enable him to understand the other team that he has got strength which was not asked for. Unless you talk to somebody, you will not know the limitations of somebody. Everybody has got the limitation. The reason is she is studied in a convent. You are studied in a different schools. You are studied in a very IIM. Somebody has done MBA in an university. So all these people who do qualification in different colleges and schools are coming from different teachers. You understand? The teachers are also coming from different environment. But we are with different environment, we are with different informations. But we accumulate and assimilate information which are available will enable you to be much better than what you are today. We are not here to tell you work together. That comes at the end. Never work for my company. Never work for our company. Work for yourself. You are not coming to office to do work. You are coming to earn. You are not coming to office to do the work. You are coming to earn. What do you earn? Only money? You are not coming to give away your happiness and pleasure. You are not coming to get disturbed here. You are not coming to irritate somebody or get irritated. You are not coming to office. You are coming to office to prepare yourself so that what I have seen today in this office should be 1,000 times more than what my future generation sees. That should be an attitude of an individual, because attitude only makes you complete. As I said, 30 years your service. I don't think anybody desires to retire as Scale 1. Sir, I don't want transfer, sir, I want to work next to my. We choose. See, the world today is giving you options and choices, whereas we never had options and choices. But unfortunately, that is mistaken. But the choices or options are available. You understand, no? You should think of yourself, what should I choose? The one who doesn't have ambition cannot choose. The one who doesn't want to grow cannot choose. The one who wants to who doesn't have alternatives cannot decide. Unless you refer two things which are available, decision can never emerge. One decision can be taken. Decision can be taken only when the alternative things are available. If I have only one, imagine how God is very beautiful. Supposing only Satyasilan has been created by God, I would not have liked the other faces of Satyasilan. Understand? If everybody has been one color, probably would not have smiled at the other person. So God thought that we need to have a colorful thing, but something what happened is the color does not reveal the diamond that is hidden in there. That's why the company thought, I want to expose the diamonds that are there in individuals. Color them. To color them and expose that diamond shining, what we need is little polishing. Because our company thinks you are that metal called carat. You will definitely shine better because none of us want to part this organization which has given us image. None of us want to go away from this organization which has given us everything that is today available for us. In the sense, I am not talking about all of us, I am talking about my family, talking about your family. Whatever you have today is derived from this organization. This is an environment. World is full of opportunities, but opportunities are available. But with your vicious thoughts, you are not able to get the opportunity and cash in your advantage, to your advantage. Think the way that you think, but think whether that is going to be useful to yourself. Prefer on that. When you prepare with whatever available now, what you are going to ultimately leave, this organization which is with 10,000 crores, probably you leave by 2 lakh crores. This organization was left 106 years back. 108 years old, 18 years old. 8 years old. So 107 years, 108 years, some people have worked and now you become director of at this age. There are so many people better than all of us who are jobless. There are people who are not able to decide and stay here because they have not seen what is available here. We have seen during the first pre-liberalization, after nationalization, we had grown with 88,000 number of employees to the premium side of just 10,000 less 18 crores. We began this organization with just 208 crores, all 4 companies put together. We have been growing there only at 16.5% over a period of 27 years. How many companies are? 4 companies. Very sad thing was that it could be analyzed and found that the understanding of general insurance was not there among people who need insurance. They found that only 0.67% of the aggregate population could know about insurance, but to our surprise could know about LIC, life insurance. Then management thought, then organization thought, then country thought, then people in the international market, they thought, this is a country which is much more than China. The China was growing just at 3%, but the potential was immense, next to that India. So these 2 countries dominated the minds of everybody there in the world. They thought that we need to liberalize the market. The thinking of liberalization came in the country because they found 88,000 people only developed inefficiency, laziness, lethargy, because they have forgotten the very thought of Nehruji.